Hi everyone, this is Matthew again. Today is 1st of April 2020. Today we'll be trading the Volatility 10 index. First of all, I'll be sharing some preventive measures for this pandemic outbreak, the coronavirus that the whole world is facing right now. So here are 5 tips to prevent the coronavirus. Make sure you wash your hands carefully, cough into your elbows, don't touch your face. Keep safe distance at least 2 or 3 meters away from anyone around. Stay at home if possible. If you have nothing to do outside, just stay at home. We pray that God should help us to skate through this. Amen. So let's get back to the trading. Don't forget to subscribe to the channels for more upcoming strategies. We'll be dropping more strategies today. This is the first one. Just hit the subscribe button. These are the rules for this strategy. This is a link to our YouTube channels. We'll be dropping some strategies today on the old one and the new one. So all these infos will be pasted in the video description on YouTube. This is a link to sign up for a free trader account. Just click on the link, or just expand the video description on YouTube and click on the link to sign up for a trader account. So let's get back to the trading. We'll be trading the Volatility 10 touch in this strategy. So this is what we have right here. Let me change this to 1. We'll go for the first trade. So we are starting with 6482.39. So let me open the trade. The 10 index. I'm going to push it right here. I will click on touch. Or no touch, then we'll click on touch. We'll change this to minutes, we'll change this to 4 minutes. Then the barrier offset will be plus 0.200. I will be staking 64 USD. 64 USD. Yes. So we'll trade 4 times. So once this seconds change to 0, normally we're supposed to wait for like 40 seconds before we place the trade, but once it changes to 0, we click on purchase. So after the first trade, we have to wait for like 40 seconds again before we place the second trade. So the time is counting. Let's wait. We'll trade 4 times, so we'll make about 28 point something dollars. Okay, so I'll click on purchase and I'll click on view right there. Okay, so this is the current spot. This is our barrier offset 213.7. As you can see, we already won that trade. We won that trade. Our exit spot was even 214. It was even higher than the barrier offset we set. So in few seconds we made 7 bucks. So let's close and wait again. So once this thing change to 0 again, the seconds there, once it change to 0, we'll click on purchase. So we're going for the second trade. Okay, we'll click on purchase and review. So this is the current spot 7213218. These are barrier offsets. So once we are even close, 338 259. So once 372 is higher than this, the trade will be closed. 213.205. We are close to 546. You can see we've already won the trade. Our exit spot was 213.650. These are barrier offset 546. So 546 is lower than 650. So it ain't touched the exit spot. Let's go for the third trade. So we won the second trade, we are going for the third trade. So once this is in 20 seconds, we click on purchase. That's 40 seconds after the last trade, so you have to wait for at least 40 seconds before you click on purchase, before you place the next trade. So once it's 20 seconds, you click on purchase. Okay, so view. So these are current spots: 213.415, 7 to 13.415. This is the barrier offset. So once it exits 7 to 13.661, the trade will be closed. We are in 212 right now, but don't worry, we are going back up. 213, we are close. 129, 112. 254, 13661, 306, 365, 305, 544. We are close. 622, 484. Okay, we won that trade. So this is the exit spots 915, and this is the barrier offset. Reset. So 915 exits 661. So we want the trade. So let's go for the last trade. So once this is in 30 seconds, we click on purchase. Once it's in 30 seconds, we click on purchase. So make sure you wait for at least 40 seconds before you place the next trade. So once it's in 30 seconds, we click on purchase. We are going for the final trade because we are dropping a few more strategies today. Okay, our last trade. So this is the current spot 7214333. We are even close. 213932, 214 again. The barrier, we are close. 516. You can see we won that trade again. So in about a few seconds, we won the trade. So this is the exit spot. This is the exit spot 214561, and this is our barrier 533. So this one exits. This one 561 exits 533. So we won the trade. So we won all the trades. As you can see, we won all the trades. So let's see what we made. We start with 648239. So we have 65 10.71 minus 6482.39. So we made 28.32 in about few minutes. Thanks for watching. Bye.